Hello and welcome. And now that we learned how to create different visualization, how to create a dashboard and a story using Tableau, we'll now dive in and learn how to use another software to create interactive visualizations. The new software is called Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft. It provides interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for a user to create reports and dashboards. It allows users to connect to multiple data sources, clean and transform data, create custom calculation, and visualize data through charts, graphs, and tables. A Power BI can be accessed through a web browser, a mobile device, or desktop application and integrated with other Microsoft tools like Excel and SharePoint. Power BI enables organizations to make data-driven decision making and gain insight into their business performance.